The Tokyo Olympics have recently kicked off. At the Olympics, you can see the national flag of each country engraved on the player's uniform. In addition, the flag is raised when the player wins the game. Today, let's look at the national flags. The meaning and type of national flags. The national flag represents the country's history, national character, and vision. So it is considered that the national flag is representative of the country.
The national flag is Taeguk in Korea, the Stars and Stripes in the US, and flag of Japan in Japan.
The origin of national flags. When did the national flag start to be used? Since ancient times, each group had used their own signs such as animals, sun, and moon to symbolize their own group. As dyeing and spinning techniques developed, national flags were created with papers or clothes. Throughout the Middle Ages in European countries, all knights who believed in Christ needed to have their common symbol that was different from the heathen who believed in other religions, and the cross was chosen to be used as their Christian symbol. However, they distinguished their origin and identity with its color and shape. In the 15th century, developed European countries scrambled to colonize other countries and claimed their sovereignty by placing their national flags on their colonies for many centuries. As a result, the flag has developed into a symbol of a country's sovereignty. However, the public in the pre-modern era was not allowed to raise the flag because it was only a means of representing the authority of the state's ruling class, and all kinds of flags were prohibited for use by them. It was after the French Revolution that the flag was used by all people, and since then, it has started to symbolize the nation as a flag in every true sense of the word. In the wake of the French Revolution, Western European countries started to make and use their own flags by imitating the tricolor flag of France. Since then, most of the flags of modern European countries have been modified. In Korea, Park Young-hyo started to use the flag with Taeguk design when he went to Japan in 1882 as a Jojin Sazinsa, which means a diplomatic corps from Joseon to Japanese Empire after the Joseon dynasty opened its port to trade. The Taeguk was made in 1883 and promulgated since then. The main symbol was the Taejuk, which was our traditional pattern since the Silla dynasty. Through the Japanese colonial era, the Taeguk started to represent our spirits to resume the exercise of sovereignty and fight against Japan, and is still in use. As such, the national flag contains the country's tradition, history, and national spirit. Wouldn't it be one of the ways to enjoy the Olympics if you pay more attention to the flag of each country?